Hello everyone, welcome back to Express Video for All. In today's video, we will solve the very important question from Module 1 Digital Logic Gates. So our question is demonstrate the non-associativity of the NOR gate. So firstly, let us understand what associativity means. A logic operation is said to be associative if changing the grouping of input does not change the output. So if the NOR gate were associative, then it should follow some rules. If the NOR gate were associative, then the following should be true. Like x nor y nor z should be equal to x nor y nor z. This is the condition for the associativity. If this will be fulfilled, then only we can call this NOR gate following associativity property. So before proving this, we will recall the definition of NOR gate. If it is written here x nor y, which is equal to the complement of x or y, the whole complement, like this. So we can write this like x plus y to the whole complement. This is the definition of NOR gate, how it works. So now let us take LHS side and prove the RHS side. So firstly we will take left hand side, x nor y nor z. So by the definition of NOR gate, we can write this as x plus y plus z to the complement to the whole complement. One complement is for like this, and this complement will be the whole complement of this equation. So after applying De Morgan's law on this, we can write it as x and y plus. One more thing is that we can simplify this. How we will simplify? X or y plus z, and there will be only one complement because this complement and this complement will be neutralized. So there will be no complement left here, but after plus here there is no complement, so it directly will be here. So the equation will like this. So after applying De Morgan's law on this equation, it will becomes x complement and y plus z. We can write it like this because here or it will convert it into AND function. So after expanding this into inside the bracket, we can write it as x complement y plus x complement z. So this is our first equation we will get from the left hand side. Like this we will do for the right hand side. So RHS, we are taking now x nor y nor z. So by the definition of the NOR gate property, we can write it as x plus y complement plus z a whole complement. So by the same thing we have done here, we can write it like x plus y plus z complement. Like this complement will be neutralized, and here there is no complement, that's why z complement here. So now again we will apply the De Morgan's law in this equation. We will get apply De Morgan's law. We will get x plus y, here AND operator, then z complement, and we can write it as like x z complement plus y z complement. So this is our second equation. So from the first and second equation we can see that from equation 1 and 2 we can see that it is not following the associative property, like x dash y plus x complement z is not equal to x z complement plus y z complement. So the conclusion is that NOR gate is not following the associative property. It means that we can write like, so therefore we conclude that the NOR gate does not satisfy the associative property. As it should follow this property, then we can call NOR gate as an associativity, but it is not following. So like this you have to demonstrate the non-associativity of the NOR gate. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.